this hive. Getting ready to get this hive up here out of honeybees. And just getting everything ready, he gets stung. And there's a nest of ground bees, these little yellow jacket thingy looking bastards down here. I can only imagine how many bees are in there when there's this many on the outside. Ouch. You got stung already?
Some duct tape. You need duct tape? Yep, I got some duct tape, but over there. Show me how that works, Kayla.
First frame of brood extracted. There's eggs, larvae, and some very angry bees. More vacuuming.
Yep, more vacuum. I need more.
More suction.
Yep.
Better?
Yeah. Probably gonna cause a stir.
Oh yeah.
You might want to get the vacuum over there
Where?
by you guys because I gotta take this down. Look at now. There's some honey in there now. Yeah.
Oh, you found the honey.
Yeah. Holy shit, look at all those bees.
Oh, that's all drone.
You want to suck them up?
I'll suck the bees up. I don't really want that brood though.
Then put it somewhere else.
They're going in here, so they're probably in here.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're all the way to the windmill.
Yeah. It doesn't look like they're above at all. But I don't know if they. Yeah. I don't know. They might be back into here too, though.
Well, that's into the room.
Yeah, because there's
plastic on the other side of the wall there.
Yeah, because there's a. I don't know. Well, oh yeah, I can see the plastic. So there's just a sheet of plastic on it.
Yeah. Ground and the floor down here.
Yeah, but they don't have any.
Oh, this is an old whiskey barrel. I think there must be some
Maybe there's some
dried up
whiskey.
whiskey.
They're drunk bees.
That's right.
How much hive do you think there's left?
Just to this board, probably.
Hopefully.
I was gonna tear it off.
All the comb is removed. There's some bees left, and if we can figure out why our vacuum's not working, we'll come suck them up later if they stay there. If not, hopefully they'll go in the swarm trap we set up. There's their old home, and there's their new home. Hopefully, they figure it out. There's brood comb and some honey in there, so they should smell it. I fixed the vacuum, we're back the next day, and there's tons of bees still here, so we're gonna vacuum them up so they can join their friends at our house. They don't really seem to be using the trap we set up, so the queen might be up here. So we vacuumed up most of the other bees, and we moved the nuke box we have brood in to lure them inside this barn through that hole. And we're hoping that all the ones that flew into the barn, which I'm not sure if you can see the bundle that's up in the window there, will go in that box. We made them a little bridge from the hole to the box right here. So they can just march their way in there. And now we gotta get the bees we suctioned up home, and then we're gonna have to check on this in a couple days or tomorrow to see what's going on. See if they went in the box or if they're still bundled up inside, and we're gonna have to vacuum them again. Bees are all trapped in the vacuum. We should be able to hear them. Lots of bees in there, which is a good thing, because yesterday I think we killed most of the bees we vacuumed up because it was raining and water got in the hose and they kind of drowned. So we don't have a lot at home right now. So these are going to go on the few bees, surviving bees, and the brood we got yesterday. And we put the brood box on top of the vacuum and opened up the divider so that hopefully I'll go up into the brood. And then I'll leave them there today, and then we'll take the vacuum piece off and take this box off because all the bees should be up in here, and put it on the bottom. And while we're doing this, we discovered a swarm right by our bee yard, and it doesn't look like it's any of these hives. I gotta check my 2 hives in the back because it could be one of them. Hopefully not though.
Got one apart now?
Yep. There's bees going in and out, so I'll get in and check it and make sure there's bees on the brood. So this is the hive we took out the other day. There's not many bees in here, but there are some going in and out. The brood looks like it's still alive. There's some bees hatching. I don't know if it's gonna make it because there's very few bees in there. Even after I added more bees, they kind of took off. But I'll just have to keep an eye on it. I actually put a swarm of bees in here because we got a call on Tuesday that there was a swarm. So we added more bees to it, and then the yesterday, they took off when I went to check on them. And they're in a tree behind me a bit. I have some traps up hoping to catch them and convince them to go in. But there are some bees going in and out of here, so that's a good sign. And there's bees like pulling older and dead bees out. So I'll leave them alone for a bit and see if it rebounds at all. And I'll check on them again in a week or two and see how they're doing.